Welcome to MindXY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. Here it is. 4 times 4 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 4. Pause here and try to solve it yourself first. We're going to explore the 3 most common answers and discover why only one survives. Let's start with the most intuitive path. Reading it like a sentence, left to right. We take 4 times 4 equals 16. Then 16 minus 4 equals 12. Next, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Finally, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Answer number 1. 10. It feels natural, right? But in doing this, we made a critical error. We performed subtraction before division. In mathematics, that's not allowed. It's like cutting in line. Subtraction has to wait its turn. Now, some people see the division symbol and think of an old typewriter convention, that it groups everything before it on top and everything after it on the bottom. This rewrites the problem entirely. So the numerator, 4 times 4 minus 4 equals 12. The denominator, 2 plus 4 equals 6. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Answer number 2. 2. While this thinking has historical context, in modern standard notation, that division symbol only applies to the immediate numbers on its left and right, the 4 and the 2. We don't get to invent parentheses that aren't there. So how do we resolve this? We need the universal rulebook, the order of operations. You might know it as PEMDAS. The key is here. Multiplication and division are equals. They share the same tier of priority. So are addition and subtraction. When operations are on the same tier, we work strictly from left to right. Let's apply it correctly to our problem. Step 1. We scan for the top-tier operations. Multiplication and division, we have both. So, starting from the left, 4 times 4 equals 16. Then moving right, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The expression now simplifies to 16 minus 2 plus 4. Step 2. Now we have addition and subtraction, which are on the same tier. We go left to right, 16 minus 2 equals 14. Step 3, 14 plus 4 equals 18. And there we have it. The correct modern answer is 18. Think about this. From one simple string of numbers and symbols, we got 10, 2, and 18. This isn't just about being right. It's about having a shared language. Mathematics is a conversation across time and space. If we all follow the same grammar, the order of operations, then when I say this expression, you get the same number I do. That consistency is the bedrock of everything that follows, from algebra to calculus to engineering. Ready to test your understanding? Here's your challenge problem. 3 times 3 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 3. Pause the video, grab some paper, and apply the order of operations carefully. Work step by step. I want you to not only find the answer, but to justify every single step. Put your final answer in the comments below. And more importantly, explain your first step. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.